Yeah, I'm just checking this side because sometimes there's loot on the ground.
Okay, everybody's back in.
Not yet. I was just checking the thing right there. Yep. I know. I was behind Dad. There we go. There you go, Dad. I got a gun.
That's fine. Alright, so let me see something really quick. What is that empath? Empath 678? What the hell's that? Oh, is that the person
Oh,
that...
yeah, that's the guy I was helping.
Okay.
I temporarily added him to the group so he could see where I was.
Got well location marked, that's good.
Yeah, Scarlett did that so we would know where it was.
Don't see your bodies marked.
Where it says death, the dark blue.
Yeah, I'm looking for it.
It's up. Let me hit M. It's if you
Oh my
go
goodness,
up.
way up there.
Yeah, we're far as fuck.
Wow.
Cause we're on our way to Cliffside Trader.
Alright, we're gonna end up on that road. This
Where you going,
this road.
babe?
We are
Oh, when you
here.
come back, can you put those back in the fridge? I'm done.
All this straight.
For what? Have more. It's really good. It's good. You can make it a little bigger. Kevin's not getting any of that. Yeah. How does an admin only have 35 zombies killed?
They don't really need to be killing.
What do the admins even do?
Just make sure people don't get away with what they did earlier.
Alright, I'm gonna help you now, Dad. The best I can. Okay, where are we? When you get to the end of this road, you wanna go left.
Get out. Get out. Thank you. Uh-oh.
And then you're gonna follow this for quite a while.
Alright, I'll take care of it now. I'm here.
Well, we just started, that's why I haven't done it yet.
Oh, don't forget, you're gonna have to go around when you get up here at the end.
I've been through here.
No, just saying. Don't forget you have to go around.
Talking about where the bridge is out?
Yes. Oh, shit. Yes, I'll be quiet.
That was fun.
Yeah.
No, not really.
We did a donut.
Wish we could done it with like a better car. Hello, jet skis.
I know. You can buy them.
Oh, that's cool. Just leave them there and light or lock them.
Yep.
Come here. Oh my god.
Man, that would be kind of cool. I bet you could probably get around a lot of places to get something like, you know, like that to get closer. I wonder if you can rent them.
No, I don't know, maybe. Oh.
We can park right outside our house.
I know, right? Tiffany, tell Dad about your experience with the car.
Oh my god. That fucking car that you can rent is a piece of shit.
Yeah. Hey, we just got 10,000.
Yep.
Oh, come on. This thing here that has no freaking power.
I know. Oh, there's a hospital.
Yes.
Want to stop?
I like to stop at all of
No,
them, but
we don't. We can't because you guys
oh,
need
that's a
to get
dragon.
your shit.
I think the last time we stopped there is how the car got blown up.
Oh, there's something.
Unless they just all look the same.
All right, babe, which way? Still
You gotta go
straight.
straight.
Space boys. Whoa, don't hit that.
Can you unlink that person so we don't see how far away they are?
They'll be gone at the restart.
Oh.
They're only temp.
Oh, okay.
That's right.
It's not hurting to see where they are, Mom. It's not hurting nothing.
It's hurting my eyes.
Well, close them then.
I can't because I gotta help
I don't.
navigate.
Where do you see that? I don't even see that.
See
Up in the
what?
left-hand corner.
I'm looking at mine. It's not there.
Pick, I
see,
don't know.
I see
You're gonna have to
markers.
do K's.
Mhm.
You'll have to hit K after.
You can link your
Move
Steam
wrong
and
way.
probably,
Do another one.
why don't you play Sims?
Only server
There.
marker. All hidden.
No,
Oh
there you
my
go.
All
Oh
visible.
no.
But I don't think it
Alright,
has
it's
anything
not.
to do with the
No,
road.
it doesn't. It's not showing up for Dad.
Let me go to my options and see what we can help with us. Controls. Video.
It could be just me too.
It'll probably fix after.
Alright, so left here?
Yeah,
Or
I
straight?
think so. Hold on. Shit,
Oh,
man.
I
Straight.
wanted to tell you,
Straight.
Thank you.
just in case you have a problem, or like, you know, you play on a keyboard that doesn't have a numpad,
Yeah.
when you go in to the key bindings, you click on unsorted.
Yeah.
I'm dragging that white bar over, and about, excuse me, little more than halfway down, it'll say PVZ mod dark horde direction.
Yeah.
You can reset the key binding. I put mine to /.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good.
Yeah. Which I'm gonna hit it and see where it is. It's north.